Tim, let's talk about some of the competitive advantages for colo providers and MSPs that can use, by using critical infrastructure monitoring. Can you talk about some of those?
Yeah, the first thing I think is important to point out is the growth in the MSP market, managed services provider, by various industry experts is north of $2 billion and growing. Why is that important? Well, organizations are struggling with resources, experts, if you will, in various trades, and outsourcing to a provider allows businesses to conduct business better. And that means those environments are taking on those associated procedures, policies, and resources that this organization now does not have to engage with. It's very important for a managed service provider now to be able to extend their service offerings into environments that include IoT. So the Internet of Things is bringing facilities into IT. IT is being stressed more and more with having to accommodate these facility-based computer room air conditioners, PDUs, UPSs, all that have IoT connectivity. And again, if you can extend your reach as a managed service provider into your customer environment by associating and bringing those services in, you're really helping businesses solve problems. And once again, if you don't know what you don't know, you're not able to accommodate and meet the customer needs. So discovery as part of a monitoring tool, being able to discover IoT devices on a network, being able to properly secure them. How about bill? Having an avenue to bill for utilization of power and things of that nature. Monitoring now is having to extend its reach with those features and capabilities, not necessarily traditional. So again, it's a business discussion.
Perfect. And how can an MSP provide monitoring as part of a turnkey solution for a client? How would they do that?
Well, they're doing it already. They have agents that sit on desktops and on virtual environments and on various Microsoft applications. This is just extending an agent, if you will, that's not necessarily an IT device agent. It's a facilities-based agent into that environment so they can assess the health of the environment. They can get ahead of any alarming. Again, we go back to the security issue of firmware on facilities, equipment, managing those things for customers where they probably previously had no idea. So again, with MSPs being able to extend those agents that sit on desktops into the critical facilities to manage firmware, to manage alarming, to ensure the infrastructure is healthy and as solid as can be.